and this is where the magic happens. So let's have a listen now. You see? You see? Wait, this is massive. But we don't want to do it that much. And then now, let's play this together with the log drum. You see? Alright, welcome back. Welcome to Amapiano. In this specific video, I'm going to cover another log drum instrument, right? So this one, it is called pre-log drum bass. So pre-log drum bass. Alright, so this is the track, the blues. So I'm going to explain what's going on. Yes, so let me just play it. So basically with this instrument is the one that you can also use as a pre-log drum bass section, or to use as an overdub of your log drum just to spice up your log drum. So I'm going to show you how. So basically, let's first understand where to change and what to do. So here, what's happening here is we have like a normal sub bass and some modulations that are happening to create all those funny log drum sounds and all this. So yeah, first off, we have in fact, let me just turn down all these all the way to 0, right? Okay, oops, yes, okay, all right, okay. So you can see we have 0. So basically these ones I'm not going to change because this is the attack, decay, and release. So in most of the time you don't have to mess around with this. So let me explain. So basically the first one here changes the octave of the sound. So this is low. I'm sure you can't even hear anything. So the more I change here, so that's cause changes the octave of the sound, right? So now that we have covered this one, let's move on to let's skip this and let's move on to this. So this is a mod cause. So this is the cause, like this is just the normal octave. So the mod, it means we also have another second sound that is modulating the first one, which is this, right? So but this is how we're going to change the octave, like exactly what we did here. All right, so for example, we can have maybe 4, right? So I'm gonna put 4 here, so meaning we just like 40 octave, like octave, like the 40 octave. All right, so once we have the 40 octave, now if we come back to this one is gonna give us how much, whatever punch or whatever modulation that is affecting this, and this is where the magic happens. So let's have a listen now. You see? You see? Wait, this is massive. And if we do this, like if we add more decay, like so that it sustains, so we have this. This is perfect and nice to add as in log drum overdub. I'm going to add more release here so that it releases nice. Perfect. So right, so now if I come to this section where the log drum is playing, so here so I'm going to play this. This is the log drum pattern. So This is the logdrum pattern. So now we have this one underneath, right? So but then I'm going to add some lows. Yeah, so this is like just to lift up some of the lower frequencies, so you can hear there's more sub coming, but we don't want to do it that much. And then now let's play this together with the logdrum. You see? This is very, 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 very simple. All right, moving on again. So we have a spread. Yes. So basically, with this, this is gonna give us like some sort of chorus, stereotype effect. So I'm going to click solo, and then we're going only to hear the solo. You see? So that's the solo, and then yes, of course, we also have. This is mode 1, right? You see, it does have a pink. So if you are not happy with this, you can turn it down, and you also have a second one, which is here. It works a little bit different, but we're still having the same similar sound. So I'm going to do this. Let's have a listen to this. Oh, oops. Okay. You see? This one is giving you that nice and clean sound, which is close to logdrum. It is even cranking more than what I was expecting. But you see, it gives that like that type of a sound. So this works the same. Maybe you can meet halfway. You can have maybe a little bit of this, and you can have maybe this, and you can have this. Yes. So I'm going to turn down this end, right? We also have this mode 1 sustain, because this red goes with this one. So this is to change the octave. But yes, of course, we can mess with the release and the sustain of that, right? Moving on to these ones I'm going to cover them, all of them at the same time. So this is mode 2 octave. So we have mode 1, like the octave, to change the octave, that is going to affect this one. So the mode 2 again, which is going to affect this and this. So it's like you are double adding on top of the first modulation you did. So which is the punch, which is the same as this, like just to add that I don't know. Let me just skip. Then we have decay, sustain, and release, which works the same as this, but only for this mode 2. So here, guys, that's it for this instrument rack. But there are some nice, cool presets that are not noise. You can hear them. All right, cool. And then you can crank some lows there. Maybe you can exaggerate the decay. Okay, cool. And then you can overdub that with some of sections. Not like for example, this is the logdrum pattern. It doesn't mean you have to overdub everything. You just find some specific section. Maybe, for example, I mute here, so the logdrum will play, and then the logdrum will play, and then it plays here, it joins, and then it joins, just to create some nice variation of your logdrums, of which this is the common sound. That this is what a lot of amapiano producers are doing. You just hear some buzzing, bang, 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 and then you'll be amazed where is this coming from, guys. So yeah. That's all for this preset instrument rack. The download link is in the description. You can grab, and there are some couple of presets down here. These are siblings presets. Some of the presets, they don't really sound far different from one another, but yes, of course, it's something better than nothing. Okay, guys, see me on the next tutorial. All right, so okay, I love you guys.